You be quiet. Hello, anyways, so, this would not be uploaded. I don't know why I had to do my YouTuber voice. So, yeah. But hey, I may upload it, I may not. Who knows? So, I'm making this video because one of my friends, Jack, he doesn't know how to work a phone. Yeah. So, anyways, so what you want to do is, you want to go to the, oh no, you want to go to the little person down here on the bottom left or right, I don't know, couldn't carry either, and it should say these 4 options up top: wallet, theme, sounds, and share. Now other 3 is irrelevant. You want to go to sounds, okay? Then you have 3 extra traces. You will want to go to incoming voice calls, go all the way down, system ringtone, then tap default ringtone.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Exactly. But, you know, before you do anything, it doesn't matter which one. Okay, so, you want to install a sound thingy, like a soundboard or something. And, so to say, if you want to... Oh, okay, good. So to say, if you want LAA to be noticed when you call, you just hold this, then, click set as ringtone. I'm not going to click it. I'm just going to show the sound. Okay. So, yes, you want to do that. You want to click show sound. You don't actually want to click that. You want to click, you want to click set as ringtone or whatever. So, you know, I'm just going to send this to a friend of mine. Yes. Just gonna send it to a lot of friends of mine, actually. Yeah, just a lot of friends. I have a lot of friends, you know. Gotta make sure I don't send it to any of the business contacts on my phone. Because that would not be very good. Don't worry, I didn't. I'm not that dumb. And just send. And that's basically it. Also, this will be uploaded, so yeah, just say something, Jack, or whatever.
Hi, peeps.
Anyways, that's it for 3:30. Anyways, I hope you have a blessed Independence Day, and be an independent raccoon, whatever YouTubers say on these types of holidays. Just don't get attacked by a dog. Yeah. Remember to subscribe, like, and ring the taco bell right beside the subscribe button. I don't know if they can hear me. I'm gonna ask them later, but anyways, subscribe, like, make sure you tell Jack how to actually set a ringtone, and stay newbie. Yeah.